Okay, so let's start with our Nifty first. So on the long term, Nifty is still bullish. If you see monthly, still above RSI 60. So that means on the long term basis, Nifty is still bullish. And on the medium term basis, it is sideways. If you can see 40 to 60 RSI, that means sideways. And on short term basis also, it looks like sideways one because RSI is between 40 to 60. So unless it is not crossing 60, we will not see momentum. And you can see also on every 200 300 point there is some resistance for Nifty. So I think it will go up, but it will go slowly. Every time it will go up, it will face some resistance here, then again here, something like that. So it looks like that Nifty will be sideways only for next 1 month at least. Okay, so that is the Nifty view. So this is our market, overall market, which is Nifty. So if you want to invest long term, then definitely you can invest in Nifty. This is the right time where you can put some small money in Nifty Bees or something, right? So you can buy cash market also Nifty, which is Nifty Bees. Then Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank is also on monthly basis still like hovering around 60. Okay. But on weekly basis it has gone down below 60, so that means again sideways, right? Sideways market for Bank Nifty also. And then on daily basis also it is showing less than 40. That means there is some bearishness in Nifty, Bank Nifty. So once it crosses 40, then only you can have some position here in futures or options, something like that, long position in futures and option. But it looks like a contra trade, but definitely you can buy this because there is a clear cut support here, somewhere here. So you can definitely start buying some quantity of Nifty Bees also, because there is reward of 20%, because once it recovers, so it can definitely go up 20%, even though it goes to this level, which is 42,000, right? So once it starts journey here, so there is some sign of bullishness, not bullishness, but it will consolidate for some time, but it may go up, right? So you can definitely put some money on Bank Bees also. But risk is almost 10%, because if it comes down from here, then it will come till 32,500 very easily, or 33,000, right? So that means risk is almost 10% and reward is almost 20% in a 6 months basis or yearly basis. I'm not saying that next month only it will go here or something. At least it may take 6 to 8 months also. It may go in 4 months also, but minimum I think. So this is basically a medium term trade. Okay. So you can look, because this Nifty Bank is looking very much oversold. So definitely you can buy Nifty Bees directly. Bank Nifty. Okay. Bank Bees. But on future side and everything, it looks bearish as of now. But let's see how January starts and all. Tomorrow is the expiry for this. Let's see how it starts. So now let's see other sector, which is Nifty Auto. So auto is again 40 to 60 on daily term. That means it is sideways only. And weekly also it is sideways only, if you can see here. Monthly it is looking bullish. So whichever stocks you can find it out on monthly basis, on long term you can definitely invest. But monthly basis, Nifty Auto is looking bullish above 60. It is sustaining also from last 3 to 4 months, 5 months. It is already sustaining above 60. So once it crosses this level, then there will be a clear cut rally in auto stocks also. So it might be like next year could be there for autos, because there are so many EVs and everything is coming up now. So that means, yeah, there are chances. So in auto stocks, definitely Tata Motors is looking good. If you see Tata Motors, if you go inside the auto sector, then Tata Motors is clearly showing bullish sign. Monthly basis already above 60, weekly basis also already above 60. But yes, daily basis it is sideways. But yes, on the weekly basis, that means for short, medium term and long term, definitely these stocks can be accumulated slowly. Okay. I'm not sure about other stocks. Let's see Maruti and all. So that's what once sector is bullish, then you have to go in that particular sector and see Maruti is not that much bullish as compared to Tata Motors if you compare, because weekly is 40 to 60. Once it crosses 60, then it might pick up the momentum. Then on monthly basis also it looks sideways if you see Maruti, right? So once it crosses this level 8,200, then only it will have some momentum. So you can avoid as of now. Then again in auto stocks there is like Bajaj Auto and all in two-wheeler, but that also is not having great line, I guess. Monthly also be sideways, weekly also below 40, that means not good. Then daily also it is recovering slowly, so you can avoid auto stocks except Tata Motors. Only Tata Motors is looking good. You can find out some more stocks also. Then see Nifty IT. Yes, so Nifty IT again clear cut breakout from here on daily basis. So let's see on weekly basis. Weekly basis is also it is trying to break out, so definitely this is the time to invest in some IT stocks, guys. Okay, monthly it is already bullish from last few months, I guess, almost a year and all. So now you have to go and look into some IT stocks definitely. So let's see how Infi looks like and Wipro looks like. Yeah. So Infi is already very good trade for long term. If you could have bought it here in 2020, your money would have been tripled. Then weekly also it is looking good. Daily also it is looking good only. Yes. So definitely you can go and definitely try to find out some IT stocks which is doing good. Wipro is also giving daily breakout, weekly also, monthly also. Yes, this is also looking good. So IT stocks will definitely do good during pandemic and all. So for 3-4 months, I think every IT company was sideways. Now they have picked up the momentum, and some of the companies have given very great return. You can see like Mindtree and all. See Mindtree. It has given almost 5 times return within 1 or 2 years. So it went sideways for few months. Now again it may pick up. Yes. So you go and check which IT stocks is looking good. But definitely IT again is coming back to bullish. And then Nifty. Let's see Pharma. Pharma again is still sideways. Daily it is giving some momentum. Still weekly has not crossed. Monthly still bullish. So yes, you can consider pharma stocks also if there are some clear cut trend under pharma. Okay, but still this level has to be crossed, then only bullish momentum will come. It might be sideways for few more months and then it may break up. So that is about pharma. Let's see how Sun Pharma is doing. From pharma. Yes, Sun Pharma is also monthly basis bullish. Weekly also it is giving signal now. And then daily also it is showing sign of bullishness, but it will halt here for some time. But once it breaks 850, then clear cut breakout will be there. Okay, so this is about pharma. Now Nifty metal. Metal daily basis sideways, weekly basis also sideways, monthly only bullish. So let's, if there are some stocks which is showing bullishness in monthly, then you can invest in those stocks for long term. But otherwise right now it looks sideways only, all the metal stocks. Like let's see Tata Steel from the leaders. So Tata Steel also on monthly basis it is taking support. So this is good time for buying Tata Steel, because see on monthly it is above 60. So if you want to invest for long term, then this is good time. And then weekly it is not recommended. was 40 to 60. Daily also it is still struggling, so you can avoid this. Long-term basis only you can buy this. Okay, this is about, and let's see some Nifty PSU Bank. PSU Bank also struggling. Daily also. Weekly also it is still struggling. And monthly also. So nothing as such on PSU Bank, but only good bank looks like is SBI. Because SBI has a clear-cut breakout on monthly chart and it is still above 60. So this you can definitely invest some quantity for long. And then on weekly basis still sideways. Daily also it must be sideways only. Yes. Okay, now see Realty. Let's see Realty. So Realty on daily basis sideways. Weekly basis also sideways, but monthly I think it has picked up, right? Yes. So on monthly basis, Realty has already given breakout, so it might spend some time for 2, 3, 4 months. But once it crosses this level, let me see if there are any resistance here. Once it crosses this level, then definitely it can go till here, right? Then it will stop here and then here. But there are some good stocks like GMR Infra, and these are showing very good sign in Realty. So if you see GMR Infra, it has clear-cut breakout here, and it is showing good sign on monthly also, and I think weekly also. Yes, weekly also some students has taken already at 32 and they are enjoying profit of almost 30-40%. So that's a great profit in within like 2-3 months. So they have taken entry here only on medium term, somewhere I think 31, 32. Somebody has taken on 35, something like that. So this is also looking good. Let's see DLF. DLF is daily, weekly still signal is not there, but long term still signal is there if you see on a long term basis, but it has to cross this level because this is crucial level for it. After 11 years it is trying to cross this level. Once it crosses that level, then it will not stop. Then it can go till at least 700 once it crosses 450. So just keep an eye on these stocks, guys. Okay. So that's all about the sector analysis and everything. So I have told you a few stocks also, and let's see on energy and let's see Bharti Airtel. So Bharti Airtel is also looking good, guys, on monthly basis. So you can invest some amount here also. Okay, that's all about market analysis. So I have told you. So which sector is bullish right now? Only IT is looking bullish, and then Realty is looking bullish. Rest all are either sideways or bearish. So you can invest accordingly. So while you are running your scanner, you should look for IT stocks. You should look for Realty stocks more. It's not like 100% you can go for that only, but it should look for more IT stocks and more Realty stocks. Yeah, so that's it from the analysis point of view. Now you can ask me your questions. So a couple of students have, I think Pankaj has given me some list. So I wanted to check that also for long term. So let me check one by one. I think one was Power Grid. Yes, so this is looking good. Power Grid, I think earlier I have suggested also. Looking good for monthly bullish. Weekly also it has come across 60, so that is good sign. No daily. Daily is still sideways, but on monthly basis you can definitely buy this. So this is looking good, and then Nitrite. Yes. Deepak Nitrite is also doing good, but it has already given so much rally, so you can avoid as of now. You can invest in some other stocks. But it's not like that. It can go little higher still, but once it crosses 60, then go for it. Don't go now on weekly basis. SBI already told that it is bullish. Tata Motors also I have told that it is bullish. Tata Power also it is bullish, so definitely you can take. Bharti Airtel also you can take once weekly goes above 60. So whatever you have suggested, Pankaj, like if both are greater than 60, definitely yes for that. Those like weekly is still struggling, let weekly also come up, then you can buy. So I have reviewed all this. Rain, India Glyco, Rain. Yes, on weekly basis it has to break out this 250 level. So that's what. Once it breaks out this 250 level, that means RSI will automatically come above 60. But monthly basis still looking good. Yes. So you can try accumulating here. 270 will be the good thing. Once it crosses 270, then it will be on fire, I guess. In India Glyco, I think today only in our portfolio it has given almost 17% return. Yes. It is also looking good. Yes. Weekly also looking. Yes. Weekly today only crosses 60, so you can enter somewhere here.
Okay. So रवि वीकली भी देखना है क्या, लाइक फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए?
हाँ, आइडियली देखो देख सकते हो वीकली, बट देयर आर सो मेनी चॉइसेस, राइट? तो उसको फिल्टर करने के लिए क्या करोगे? दैट इज द बेस्ट चॉइस ना, गो फॉर वीकली आल्सो. जिसका वीकली अभी ऊपर आ चुका है, दैट मींस दैट इज मच बेटर ना.
यस. ओके ओके.
Opposite also you can think like whatever weekly while deciding we are seeing monthly, right? But while deciding monthly we have to see weekly also. Weekly मतलब sun support कर रहा है कि नहीं? Always father does not support. Sometimes son also has to support father ना. फादर ऊपर जा रहा है तो खींचने का ट्राई करेगा, बट एक बार खींच लिया मतलब 60 के ऊपर आ गया, देन इफ यू इन्वेस्ट देन दैट्स गुड टाइम ना. और आपके पास चॉइसेस है वहां पे 12-15, राइट? तो उसमें से जो ऑलरेडी दोनों क्राइटेरिया में फिट हो रहा है, दैट शुड बी गुड वन ना. So I have done that analysis. I will put in the group chat.
Okay.
Okay.
सर थोड़ा इंट्राडे का स्टॉप लॉस का थोड़ा पूछना था सर. एंट्री और स्टॉप लॉस इंट्राडे में सर स्टॉप लॉस
देख लेता हूं. हां, तो इंट्राडे में तो सुपर ट्रेंड बताया ना हमने. रेडिको, यस इट इज लुकिंग गुड, गिविंग ब्रेकआउट ऑन वीकली बेसिस. Yes, Radico is also looking good, Chandni. Yes, monthly already it is up. Yes, and then BEL.
रवि एक क्वेश्चन इसी चार्ट पे, लाइक मंथली ऑलरेडी
लुकिंग गुड. हाँ बोलिए.
हाँ, जो प्रीवियस वाला जो स्टॉक था तो वीकली ऑलरेडी 89% है RSI, राइट? मंथली सॉरी.
हाँ तो चलेगा, मंथली में तो कितना भी रहे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना. इट्स ओके. 89 कहाँ है? 75 ही तो है. वीकली में 75 है, मंथली में यस 89 है. तो ये कभी कभी थोड़ा सा नीचे आएगा फिर उठ जाएगा, ऐसा भी होता है.
ओके.
बट डेफिनेटली यू शुड लुक फॉर सम स्टॉक वेयर ऑलरेडी 70, राइट? 89 वाले से तो सब ऑब्वियसली दैट इज बेटर. यस
यस दैट इज बेटर. ओके.
यस. So Radico looks like overbought, Chandni, but still if you want you can enter with small quantity, but it is giving clear cut breakout from here. Yes. So you can enter. Yes. NBCC. No sign on NBCC. Monthly still struggling, weekly also struggling, no sign in NBCC. BL also weekly was struggling, so you can wait for BL to cross in weekly at least.